Actually, I'm a blog on YouTube. I do entertainment, charity. I own a very big YouTube channel. The first one which I promoted had 190k subscribers. The ones I'm now building, I'm having two. One is having 17k in 5 months with 2 million viewers. 2 million viewers. So you guys can make it, as long as you consist. Nembira so to speak. So I've liked the discipline. Mr. Nuwa. Yes. Abantu batademu empisa by the way. So we're having our birthday this week. What about it? You come? I'll come with the cake. I remember asking my people to give me 5 boxes of KFC. Bakampa satu. Munyongere yendala. These are guys from Cheza Africana. Abana bano bana ba mikono jange. Baina YouTube channel je balimu. Je baita Cheza Africana YouTube. Bazina mazina bakubandongo. Era agala okola ku mazina gange nabo genda laba ka video kitukoze. Kali eri ku YouTube channel yawe. So nali ndoza kuchokula nabana ku street ebyokulya. Neba nabana bambude bizibe nanga bingi nyo. So I'm going to come back here and do a serious video. Mumburi embere je mitamu. Ndoza KFC tuzojira namwe. Ndoza ndanya ngena jini la wala sina la. I think mo tujja kulya tujirire wano KFC nakafuna bucket 3. So I want njagala a bucket 3 ya leka nawe a bucket 3 zogeza KFC. Unoyekaje mara. Unoyeko mwako lati. Ajimara. So that is it. You can just sing for me a happy birthday. My name is Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey, to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. These are young, beautiful and handsome souls. So they are doing this to promote their talents, to keep active. You know, my name is Some. I'll make sure I have a good funders. One of some of the Bulimba. Nejiba myaka emeka. Woche no mukso kusoma. Soma. Okujja ngatokola ki? Ngatogwina. if you have the chance, so abantu basomye tebabona bona. You work smart. Okolera eddakiika 3 sinofuna emitwalo 5. Sibe kiri sebo tezifuna bujama. We manage YouTube channels. Okiro kimu nuba n'emitwalo 6. Ekitegedde bulungi nnyo. So ebera n'okufuna otya ng'osomye. Ekitegedde bulungi nnyo. So your manager told me you want to work out with triplets. Yes. So manager Dauda, one day ba nichimanya one day abana bano bagala yo interview, not an interview. They want to have a dance with you guys, a collab. Tebaina nnyo sente nejangu twogere abantu bawe okitegedde bulungi nnyo. They told me they love Nyangoma so much. The Queen of Kasese. I remember that Jamuto Triple was very young, but after the moment was taken. So you can be like them. Bafo Kabakai, because one day we were lucky, they were displayed. Bao is a manager Yabagamba. Manager Yabagamba Timina Movia. But anywhere you are, you can do it. One minute Jaram, Omukuma never came out with. Have a sense once in a while. Kari, you're just wasting your time. Manager Dauda. Twagala kolabo. Ezo kiwedde. Mjimusabe. Mwatwabazi? Cheza Africana. Okubewa sanafu. Waka tusaba ki? Kolabo. Okubewa? Okubewa sanafu. Tusaba kolabo okuba mu triplets. Mwegomba nnyo omuwala amanyikiddwanga? Nyangoma. Yaki? The Queen of where? Kasese. Ate omulala? Patricia. What? Subscribing and keeping up with us was our Emma YouTube channel. Ntambuliddeko eno mubatye? Cheza Africana. Cheza what? Cheza Africana. These young talented dancers, wow, from Masana. Sekadulu mage nakumbulira kumanya ge katone. Just have a simple moment. How are you?
I'm fine.
Your name?
My name is Imran.
Imran. Yes. From Cheza Africa?
Yes.
Wow, that is it. Sebo?
My name
Nyabo?
is Rao the African.
Rao the Africana. Wow, I just love the name. Yes?
My name is Vivian African.
Vivian Africana. Wow. Atebwe?
My name is Rebecca African.
Rebecca Africana. And you?
I am by name of Jenny African.
Jenny Africana. Baba ne chiri wano.
Sophie African.
Sophie Africana. Atono.
Rani African.
Atono.
Sabra Africana.
Sabra Africana. Yes. And this one?
Shatif Africana.
Shatif Africana. Wow, this?
Joram Africana.
Joram Africana. Then?
Rama Africana.
Rama Africana. Atebwe.
Alpha Africana.
Alpha Africana. Then?
Joshua Africana.
Me.
You?
Nsigo Africana.
Wow.
Mr. Africana.
Mr.
Africana.
Mr. Africana. Wow, I just love what you're doing, guys. Mukola chamanyi nnyo. You still have so many of them?
Yeah.
And you?
Val Africana.
Val Africana. Then?
Fodo Africana.
Fodo Africana. Wow.
Akemblad Africana.
Akemblad Africana, located in Masana. So guys, I'm so happy to see you here. And this gentleman is my good friend. Then you can fill me up, eh?